Hello students, the fourth chapter of class 8th grammar is pronouns. As you learned in the previous classes that pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Noun की जगह पर यूज़ किए जाने वाले शब्दों को हम प्रोनाउन कहते हैं और इन हिंदी संज्ञा की जगह उपयोग किए जाने वाले शब्दों को हम सर्वनाम कहते हैं. Here two examples are given to you. Like this is Ali, he is a wrestler. ये अली है और वह एक रेसलर है. This is Meena, she is my sister. You see here in this example, Ali is a boy. So in place of Ali, we use he, and for Meena, this one is a girl, we use she. And the noun that is substituted by the pronoun is called the antecedent of the pronoun. Noun की जगह पर जो substitute pronoun के द्वारा इस्तेमाल किया जाता है उसे हम antecedent of pronoun कहते हैं. Now here the next topic is types of pronoun. So students, there are 6 types of pronoun: personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, distributive pronoun, indefinite pronoun and relative pronoun. So first we learn about personal pronoun. So the personal pronouns are written in first person, second person and third person. They are I, we, you, he, she, they, it and me in the subject form. Means इन सभी सर्वनामों को हम as a subject use करते हैं. And me, us, you, him, her, them, it is in object form. और इन्हें हम object के form में use करते हैं. यहाँ पे आप जैसे example देख रहे हो. First, I rode an elephant at the safari. Here I comes first. So this one is the subject form. Raj called out to us. In this sentence, us is here and this is the object form. So you have to identify the subject form and the object form. Students, here one exercise is given to you. Like rewrite the following sentences using personal pronoun in the opposite gender. Means you have to pick the personal pronoun and write it in opposite gender. So here I explain you like he has to prepare his speech himself. So in this sentence he and his are personal pronoun. So we write it in opposite gender. So he becomes she and his become her. So sentence is she has to prepare her speech himself. Second, she bought a spinning top for him. So she becomes he, bought a spinning top for him. In him we write him in both the gender. Third, these cows are his and those buffaloes are hers. So here his means you write it here her and hers you write it here his. Okay students, I hope you would understood it. So the two sentences are your homework. The second pronoun is possessive pronoun. Do not use an apostrophe. यहाँ पर हमें apostrophe का यूज़ नहीं करना है. जो मैंने आपको प्रीवियस जो लेसन था उसमें आपको apostrophe का यूज़ कैसे करते हैं वो एक्सप्लेन किया था. Now they indicate position. ये आपको position indicate करते हैं. Like example, these children are mine. ये बच्चे मेरे हैं. I think that coat is yours. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये आपका है. Now here there is one exercise is given to you. Replace the personal pronoun by possessive pronoun. Here personal pronoun is given to you. You replace it with possessive pronoun. Like first example is already done. This bag is you. So we write it here yours. The bat is I. Means in place of I we write mine. The bat is mine. The car is we. So the car is us. The frog is she. So the frog is hers. This house is they. So this house is theirs. The suitcase is he. So the suitcase is his. The photos are she. So the photos are hers. So students, like that you have to complete all the 4 sentences. So this one is your personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. So you have to fill all the sentences which I given you for your homework.